getting myself together. Look at the damn car. Look at the car. All back damage. Guess what the little boy was? Bitch talking about he hit us. You have him calling him a bitch because you know what he is.
I'm a whole different level. You won't see nobody like me for like 12 other years. You see what they do all the time. I'm different level. You crazy? You can't even coach my type of style. They style is regular. I gave him crazy work. Crazy work. Crazy work. And then look, and the dudes you kept getting all this love to, crazy work. Crazy work. Don't ever try me. Ever.
Let me go.
This sounds so easy. It's like some man. He's tripping.
Hold on, let me ask you a question.
Check his drink. He's tripping.
Why are you up?
Because I got some important shit going on here. What do you think?
Boom, the world class.
Joe, didn't this part here, bro? This shit irritated the shit out of me. This shit pissed me off.
Open the door!
I'm not talking to you I'm not gonna keep asking you 2, 3, 4, 5 times about the same shit. This right here, man, this part right here infuriated me, man.
You're trying to kill us! You're trying to kill us!
Gotta strangle that bitch to death, though. You know that we know that you stole a car. You just got in an accident because you gonna sit and plead for your fucking, you gonna put on a fucking act, bro. You gonna put on a stupid ass little act. Like you innocent. When you just put a little boy in danger. You stole a car and your fucking response is to put on the act. And he letting you live. Maybe it's a trauma response. I give somebody that's going to, play devil's advocate. Some people may even go and say he was just trying to steal a car. The little boy was in there. We'll get to the mom in a second. We'll get to how that shit happened in a second. I'm not even on that, but it is a part of it, right? That shit is not even gonna get highlighted by me right now. I'm gonna drop the link in a little bit, but I apologize, man. I had to walk outside. I asked this shit. It's playing. It's about to play.
Oh my gosh, she's trying to kill us! Oh my gosh, she's trying to kill me! Why would y'all do that, man?
This nigga said, you trying to kill us. The child he kidnapped.
Get up. Please don't beat me up, man. Listen, don't get on that. Don't fight me, man. Get on the ground. Don't fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't stop on the fight me. He don't please stop. He don't please. He don't please.
Of all the times to choke a nigga to death. Again, everything they did was right. The one officer, the white boy by his head, he started to. You seen him start to. He restrained himself. Their restraint is world class. Their restraint The restraint they're using is world class. I just need to take a second and just accept that. Not just y'all like I'm talking hard at y'all, but their restraint. Everything they did, everything that they did, man, you about to hear it in a little bit when we go over the article. The networking and everything that they put into it. Top level. This is Atlanta Police Department. What Good Brad said. We on Lock says black people have this much fear, then we're in trouble. Yeah. Yeah, XL Pro. I was acknowledging you. Appreciate the Cash App yesterday. Follow out the Cash App, man. You always in here. You always supporting. I appreciate you, man. Mr. Goodbread says they should fear the creator of life like this. Yes, they should, but they don't. They don't know him until situations like this. Then you want to call out God after you kidnap the fucking child, and you want mercy from the people that come to make you pay for your sins. XL Pro said 100. We on Lock says, why must we countlessly put our children in danger? Man, that part's coming up. I don't know if Palmer watching, but man, this is definitely a story you could look at, you know. And it goes to what we've been saying, but I'm not even on that part yet. But yeah, I'm good. I think I'm ready for this next part again.
Oh no, baby, what is you doing?
I know damn well you ain't been watching it this long and ain't hit that like button.
You son of a bitch. Going right for the jugular, aren't you?
And hit the like button before we buy something.
What's going on?
Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Hit that little red button and consider becoming a member.
Why not? Why? Haven't you heard what they say about me? I'm a degenerate fucking animal.
Everything not gonna end up on the channel, man. We're gonna put stuff in the back, you know, for the people that support the channel. I mean, it's okay, you know. Some people want to be freeloaders. I used to did it. Cash App, IG, link, it will be in the description. Also the email, find something you want me to react to, man, hit me up in the email. Now let's get back to the video. Appreciate you. Oh my God, I'm getting myself together. Look at the damn car. Look at the car. All back damage. Guess what the little boy was? Bitch talking about he hit us. You have him calling him a bitch because you know what he is. Whatever the fuck you want to call the little shit. In Atlanta. What a surprise. Another one of his alphabets is abusing a boy. What a surprise.
I didn't have anything ready to us. He hit us.
That's what a pit maneuver is, stupid ass.
That's messed up. He hit us. Trying to kill us. He hit us.
Trying to kill you. You shouldn't have been hitting us because it's not your fucking car, dumbass.
That's messed up.
How much fucking nerve do you have to talk like this when you just stole a car and kidnapped a child at the same time? And got him in a car accident because you didn't fucking stop when you heard the police officers. Scared of police, they should have beat. Facts. Fuck your fucking mouth works. You gonna choose to say stupid shit? Man, it's to stop this, man, bro. Y'all niggas lucky the police dead. If hood niggas could run around and regulate the hood. Piece of facts and uncomfortable truthful, but nah, that's peace to you, bro. Brother Arnell Bay says, that is their God. That's why they're so afraid. Yeah, them police, yeah.
Everyone, thanks for your ideas. Appreciate you coming over also.
Cause that's messed up.
Right, just ignore that shit. I like how all of them just ignored his ass. Didn't get no more charges, didn't let him be the victim. Because he need to be, yep, yes, yep, 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 facts, yep. That's but we'll steal a car though, and then want to beg for forgiveness. Or do inhumane shit but want somebody to treat you with humility. It's man, that's mind-boggling. For the timeline, I think when we were looking, right? It's obvious that while we were looking at him being taken, arrested, this officer went and grabbed him. So this is 2 different body cams. Let me go back for a second. This part right here, I'm gonna try to get through this. Look at this fucking. Oh my god. Man, look at this fucking car, bro. If we had the other body cam, you can see to the right, the other officers where they're locking dude up. So this is simultaneous with the other scene we just watched. You got another police car to the left, a blue police car to the left, unmarked, right? Where the fuck did he get out the car? He had to climb through the window. The door can't even open. He just climbed out the window and sat next to the tree. Listening to this boy's trauma is traumatizing me. I ain't gonna sit there like in real time.
I can show you what you got. No. You did a good job. Man. No. You did a good job. Excuse me. You okay? Yes. You okay? Yes. Yeah, we're gonna take you to your mom. Okay. You know? Okay. My mom called you? Yeah, she did. Okay. Excuse me. I got to go now.
Details in a...
Yeah. I can't go through that. I'm good. I can't even fuck with that no more right now. I can't even speak on it.
Washed.
Like we weren't supposed to come up with something this clean. You know, like something happened.
What the fuck?
this because we like you. We did this because we are you.
Boom, the world class.